Welcome to Capillus, the most trusted red light therapy company. We are thrilled to introduce our newest innovation in laser therapy for hair regrowth, the Capillus Spectrum. At Capillus, we are committed to offering advanced, FDA-cleared technology for safe and effective hair restoration. Our new product is the culmination of our dedication to excellence and innovation, with all assembly and servicing taking place right here in the United States. Today, we are enhancing your hair regrowth journey with the latest technology and features aimed at delivering amazing results. Welcome to this new chapter of Capillus, the era of the Capillus Spectrum.
Capillus Spectrum, a revolutionary breakthrough in hair regrowth technology. With the power of 808 nanometer near-infrared lasers, the spectrum penetrates deeper into the scalp, delivering cellular stimulation like never before. In addition to 650 nanometer red light, the spectrum also provides 808 nanometer near-infrared light, offering a broader spectrum of treatment. In just 6 minutes a day, this innovative Capillus device delivers powerful energy to rejuvenate thinning hair, increase hair density, and help you regain your confidence. Experience the future of hair restoration with Capillus Spectrum, where cutting-edge technology meets proven effectiveness.
Introducing our new docking station for seamless charging and ultimate convenience. Simply place your Bluetooth-enabled battery on the dock and it will be fully charged and ready for your next session. The Bluetooth-enabled battery connects to the Capillus app, letting you track your progress and manage treatments easily. This innovation is all about making your hair regrowth journey smoother and more convenient. At Capillus, we're focused on combining smart technology with ease of use to support your path to healthier hair.
We're thrilled to announce the launch of the new optimized Capillus app, your personal companion for tracking and optimizing your hair regrowth journey. With the app, you can easily monitor your treatment progress, set reminders for your daily sessions, and even access personalized tips to maximize your results. It's designed to empower you to take control of your hair health with ease and confidence. The Capillus app is the perfect tool to keep you engaged and motivated every step of the way.
At Capillus, we're committed to supporting your hair regrowth journey with the latest innovations in red light therapy. Trust in our US assembled and serviced products, and take the first step towards achieving fuller, healthier hair today. Visit our website at capillus.com to learn more and start your journey with us. Stay tuned for exciting new red light therapy products that will continue to light your path to wellness.